I'm in Ikea right now. So this is Ikea in Saudi Arabia. So Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. This is the only Ikea I believe that's in Jeddah. It's huge. The layout just seems exactly like the layout that you would see in Canada. I haven't seen Ikeas in the States, but I have seen them on video and they look pretty much similar to this. So what I'm gonna do is follow the layout, the arrows on the ground, and try to show you what the Ikea looks like pretty much here in Saudi Arabia. So you can see here they have the couch areas, they have the chairs, and a lot of the prices, or all the prices, are in riyals. You can see some of the setups here. And they've kind of modified some of the furniture to kind of suit like a Middle Eastern style, because I know in here in the Middle East or in Saudi Arabia they love to sit on the ground, so they have a low-lying, like a table that's low on the ground and some pillows surrounding it so they can sit on the ground and be comfortable. So this is a nice seating area as well. And then again, you can see some of the tables, they're on the ground, they're like lower to the ground, and the carpets are pretty nice. Here is a dark living room and another room. You can see, I don't know what it says. I can try. If I try reading it, I'll be able to read it. So this is the table that we saw over there. It's 355 riyal, 345. Here is another table. There are more tables. There are these ones that are very popular. I've seen a lot of these around. There's a setup for a smaller living room. This one is pretty dark and cozy. Here you have the dining room and the really large sofa. Is it like a sectional? And it's pretty comfortable. Okay, let me have a seat on it. Let's pretend that I'm sitting here. Look at that. So sitting. It's pretty comfortable. So you sit down. I like it. It's pretty cute. So let's follow the arrows. Here is another layout of a living room. This one's pretty bright. So I like how it has the children's seating area. What is this called? A high chair. Children's high chair. And the prices again, they're in riyals. This one looks pretty modern. We're in the couch section now. Designs for everyone. This is a sofa couch. What is this? So this is 4,645 riyal. Pretty decent sofa couch. These are, this is where you put your TV, a TV stand. And then you have a little feet area just for physical distancing. You have these little baskets. Remember, I've seen these in, I believe I've seen these in Bab Makkah, and they're only 55 riyal here, so they're more expensive here in Ikea than they are in the Balad. And then here you can see some baskets. They're 49 riyal. Some organizers, really popular organizers here in Saudi Arabia. You got some of these sectionals with some of floral design, little cubicle thingies that you can put your clothes in. More organizers, bookshelves. My favorite section, the dining room sets. So the chairs, is this for the chair cover? $345 for the chair cover. Look at this vase. Would you put flowers in here or water? That alone is 75 real. I believe it's on sale. Here is a full, I believe, living room, kitchen, and dining room. I like how this is, it's pretty flat to make pancakes or crepes. The oven or stove. This is a collapsible dining table. Oh, it's a full, so it's kind of like a studio apartment. The bed. You hear some Arabic music. The closet space. Is this a, yeah. So it's a sliding door closet. 3,290 real. This is a very tiny dresser. Oh no, it's not a dresser. It's for your shoes. A washroom. Display only. Can't do number 1 and number 2 in there. Okay. I like it. Okay. Let's move on. So you can definitely see that we're here in Saudi. So you can see some of the tables, some of the dining room tables as well, like the dining sets. You got some here. So this is like around 1,195. I'm not sure if it includes chairs. The chairs might be separate. So the chairs are 399. Yeah. So the chairs are 399. You got more chair selections that you can choose from. More dining room sets. So here, you probably put your snacks in here, maybe your dates or your chocolate. This is how you know we're in a Saudi Ikea. You have a coffee cup, these little single coffee cups that they drink coffee in. So they'll have their dates, their coffee. And their snacks. Oh, this is a nice kitchen. Look at that. It's pretty wide and spacious. Here is a, what is this? Okay, it's a thermos to put your tea in. And then here is a dining room set or a kitchen. Here is more. So this is for like a lot of the kitchens here in Saudi are, well, not a lot, I shouldn't say a lot of them. Some of the apartments that I visited don't have an actual, like don't have furniture inside their kitchen. So this would be convenient for those that would like to purchase a kitchen, like furniture and sink for an inexpensive price. I don't know how much this whole thing costs. Okay, here. 595. And then you have one of these pull out what? I don't know, pull out trays. Here is a dining room set and the full kitchen. Here's another kitchen. So this kitchen has these leather straps. Now this would be good if you always have clean hands, but as you can see, some of the straps got a little bit dirty. Now, can you paint this? It says look inside. Wow. Is this where the fridge would be? Yeah, so this is where the fridge would be. I like how it's hidden behind these cupboards. I'm sure you can paint these if you'd like, or stain them. No, you can't. You're gonna have to, I think. Well, maybe yeah, maybe you can. So the whole set is for 21,082 riyal. I believe it's for the cupboard. The cupboards. This is a fun kitchen. Here's another smaller kitchen. These egg slicers are convenient. Only 7 riyal. A full kitchen. Here's another kitchen. And the pantry for the kitchen. Look how adorable this is. So you have the table, a small table for little kids, and the chair. That's cute. And then here's the pantry. So I'm sure if you don't have a pantry, you can probably set this up maybe close to your kitchen wall. Like if you have a really large kitchen wall, you can probably set this up and organize your kitchen items. Okay. So let's see. So we're entering the area of the kitchen sinks. So these are all different kinds of sinks that you can get. Smaller sinks. I am not really a big fan of smaller sinks. I like really large, wide sinks. Or if I get a small sink, I'd rather have 2 sinks. One to put my dirty dishes in and one to rinse some of the dishes. This is also not bad. So you see this is a smaller sink and then you have this sink. Like what would you put in the sink? And the faucets. These are really nice faucets. 245 riyal. Some are 190. I'd rather have these kind of faucets where you don't actually have to touch the faucet. You can use your arms or the back of your hands. These, like if you have really dirty hands, you're gonna have to touch everything. And then you're gonna have to obviously disinfect. This would be preferable. You open and close. And oop, and you have a spray. Okay, that's good. So this one would be 295 riyal. This is also nice. Okay. And you have the sinks. Here's a white sink. You gotta be careful with white sinks, they can stain. There's more sinks. So see how they have like 2 smaller sinks, so I like that. Again, for dirty and for clean. This is very small. But you can put your, I believe, your vegetables in here. Can you? You can probably wash your vegetables in there. Yeah, okay, good. So you can wash your vegetables. It shows you. Wash your vegetables. There we go. Here's a smaller oven. 3,295 riyal. More of the thermos that I showed you guys earlier. Did I show you the price? I don't remember. Spice jars. This is a really nice compact kitchen. So you can use these to organize your utensils, like your forks and knives, but you can also use them for your home office. You can put your pencils, your pens, scissors, erasers. There are wider ones. There are more organizers for your drawers. You can see how they've used some of these organizers in your drawers. And then you have these separators in your drawer. So if you don't want to have an actual like organizer such as that, you can just separate your drawer using these, what would you call them? Like using these sleeves. And they're about 45 riyal for one. 40 sin abyad. So if you're really big on organization, this is your section. Now this is for what? To organize your plates. Yeah. To line up your plates. You can put them in your cupboard, in your cabinet, and organize them. So this might be for your spoons and for your knives, to keep them maybe on the wall. So you have this rack that you can you, what do you do? I don't see any, I don't see the rack itself. I wonder if you nail it onto the wall. Yeah, you do. You're gonna have to nail it onto the wall. There are more organizers. Okay, let's get going. More kitchen and dining room sets. Something new brewing. Oh, okay. So this might be for like a coffee shop. Or for your balcony. So the chairs are about 175 riyal. The table's about 345 riyal. So if you're thinking about starting your own coffee shop, you can probably look at this for your own inspiration. That's pretty nice. So this would be the view of the barista or the staff. So you can see here, you can see the layout of the tables and the chairs. I really like. Tables, build your own desk. So you can have your own desk, you can have your desk top. The chairs you can change. You have the, can you change chairs? I mean, not the chairs, but the legs. Yeah, you can. So here are the different leg options that you can choose from. So you have the white, you have the black, you have the wooden, the aluminum with the wheels, so you can move it around and swivel. And you have the different desk top options. Chairs, plenty of office chairs. See, there are a lot. Here is a nice compact desk. This would be $445. Really nice, and you have one drawer, but I can't seem to open it. We got some of these chairs. They look like they're pretty comfortable. They're $1,360. Here's this one. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna test it out. Oh, let's test it out. Oh, this is actually really comfortable, and the back moves, so this is really comfortable. So this is nice. Like, it curves with your back, and then you have the head support and the back support right here. Okay, so you can try, and it comes in white. And you get a free voucher. It says for every 1,000 SAR purchase from October 14th to November 6th, you get 150 SAR. I like that desk set. Okay, now we're getting into the bedroom sets. So here's the bedroom sets. So how they've organized the beds. So this looks really cozy. It is hot in Saudi Arabia, but they have AC here and it gets really cold. Like the AC gets really cold. So you have some of the chairs, or what are these called? Little cushions in the closet. Let's look at the wash. I like how open it is. You have the toilet, you have the open shower with the round shower head, kind of like the waterfall, and the medicine cabinet. Not a medicine cabinet here. You have these nice closets with sliding doors. Here are some hotel slippers that you can get here for $8.50. So if you miss the hotel slippers that you get in hotel rooms, you can come here and get them for $8.50. Oh, look at this wall art. It's a hand with henna on it. So there's thobe, look at that. They have a thobe hung up in the Ikea, Saudi Arabia, and the Saudi slippers that I've shown you in the Riyadh vlogs, or in the Al-Balad. Oh, we missed one closet. I mean one bedroom. Here's a bedroom. It's very bright and cheerful. You have the rocking chair. And the crib. Here's another bright room. It's very pinky, girlish. There's a red room. Reminds me of Valentine's Day. A room probably for your teenage daughter. Really nice. It has a day bed and storage at the bottom. So at the bottom it has storage. You can probably put your extra pillows in there. And a closet. Nice compact closet. I like that. Here you have a different selection, like bed selections and the frames that you can choose from. I like how simple this one is. Very simple and sleek. It's 2,015 riyal. Here are bed sets for 199 riyal. More bed sets. Is this comfortable? Yeah, it does look comfortable. Well, it feels comfortable, I mean. That one's also pretty nice and simple. This one is this bed frame. The set is for 2,190 riyal. Okay, I see 2,190 and then I see there it says 1,395. So is it on sale? It might be. And then here it says 795. So if you can read Arabic pretty well and understand what this says, so maybe this was the original price and then they've discounted it and then a further discount. Who knows? Here are two twin beds right next to each other. You have the brown and the black version. They're 595 riyal. So a lot of selections to choose from. This is also a simple one. 1,032. I don't think it's wood. No, sorry, it's not 1,032. Well, maybe 525? I see 525. I don't know what 1,032 is for. Okay, so it says the price of the bed with the mattress. That would be 1,032. So y'all do the math and see if it's worth it, or if it's worth just getting the mattress on its own or getting the bed on its own. Here are some more organizers for your bedroom. Okay, I gotta keep going because I do need to go to the food section. More organizers that are 1,195. 1,195. Oops, my slipper. More bedroom sets. Here's a nice one. This one is also nice. There's a closet. Really girly closet. Very pink. So the whole set would be 10,525. So you have a bias in here. This would be the whole set. 10,525. More closets. And closet organizers. 1,080, 880, 2,320. 2,450. Here's a sliding one with kind of like a see-through, what is this? A see-through closet door for 2,745 Rial. More closet organizers for 2,901 Rial. Sliding doors again. That's pretty nice. So they got a lot of them. You can either get the ones that are already made or get them customized to your liking. And I've noticed that it's pretty empty here. It's around, what time is it? 1? Is it 1 o'clock? Okay, now we're entering the children's section. Here is the children's bedroom and the children's bed sets. There we go. Okay, so this is the kids section. Got plenty. So you have the little sippy cups for 9 Rial. That's cute. Sippy cups for 9 Rial. Little children's sets. Tables and organizers. You've got, what else? Children's. This would probably be maybe like an organization set for like their toys and crayons. You have little beds for 89 Rial. Toys, stuffed cushions, 32 Rial. You can get some here. We got dinosaurs, pandas. They're all stuffed. All of them are pretty much stuffed. Pillows. Alright, so we're done. Now we're heading into the food court. I am going to be ordering food here. I would like to get everything here. So you can see some of the prices. I'm gonna come back upstairs for this.